Alright, the NAS came faster than I thought. I didn't have any ready drives, so I'm sacrificing some other drives elsewhere and hoping I don't lose any data, which is not ideal, but here we go. The drive cages are different than Synology, definitely. And I'm already doing it wrong. Actually, this is the same as Synology on that part right there. Little plastic pieces. Just kind of snap in there. Kind of. Screws going blue holes. This cage back on. Seems okay. Locking bay 94. I don't know, it doesn't feel that smooth. Okay. Double check. Okay, much smoother. Usually a little, yeah, okay, press. And latch. So the interesting thing is I'm not figuring out how to power this thing on. So I put in a drive. I know that I have like a red power light on the back. I'm not getting any other power for some reason. Yeah, so entirely embarrassing. I spent a long time, probably 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour, trying to figure out why this thing would not power on. I thought it was a dead-on arrival unit. I went through the process of sending it back and had that whole transaction complete and added the request for a new one coming. And you know what it is, it was this button right here, which is obvious when it's on that's the power button. But when you have it off, you plug it in, you turn on the power switch on the back for the power supply. This thing is kind of hidden here, and there is no indicator that it's a power button. It's not labeled, it's flush, it's all black. Didn't see it for anything. There was not, I mean, of course, if you look at the installation instructions, the very last step is pointing to that. I thought I was looking at an installation instruction that was not perfectly applicable to this model, but it was. So we seem to be up and running. So once again, put in the power cord, flip the switch in the back, and then push this button. So far so good. I'm loading up a hard drive now. It immediately went to the web interface, and I will say that get a free barcode scanner on your iPhone, Android, and just scan the top of the NAS device, and that will go immediately to the website rather than hunting for the IP. However, I would say that now that it's powered up, you could see the, I guess it's doing the hard drive here, but you can see the IP address on these. So I'll let you know how it goes.